From time to time, we're asked how the SketchList might be used for designing custom shipping containers. So they could be used for sure to design a pallet or a cart or even a shipping container box. First, I'm going to design a pallet. Use the cabinet wizard and select the model for the pallet, something I put together, not being a designer of pallets, but just for demonstration purposes. With the cabinet wizard, you are operating at the highest level of modeling or building block approach. First thing I might want to do is, in this design, specify which boards are going to be used and which boards are going to be discarded. So for this particular application, I may choose the slats that are going to be included and the support beam. The center support beam was deleted. And then you can go in and create at a much more detailed basis. Here I'm changing the thickness of those support beams and the thickness of the slats. Change the overall size of the pallet. And the last or distribution of the slats can be done once we move the model into SketchList. Changing the distance between the slats and changing the overall height of the pallet. Now once that's done, I just take that and add it to the project. In the project itself, I can go in using SketchList to make further designs. The next thing I'll show is the cart that I designed, roller cart. Again, I'm not a cart designer, and this was done very quickly. But it's just a matter to show that you can replicate standard items like the wheels and the handle, and change them if you want, but probably most importantly is the size of the deck. So I can go in and change the thickness of that deck material, and right now that deck material is one size, it's one piece of wood. So I will go in and modify that, since it's probably going to be made out of many pieces of thick, heavy, solid lumber. So I select the deck and I right-click that size red dot, just pick an arbitrary size for this, say OK. Now I've got one board. I use the clone and space feature, and I'm going to put in a few more boards, and I'm going to put them 0 inches apart since I want a solid deck. And then you have the deck. And again, you can make this cart any size you want. The cutting list reflects the size of the material